Bradshaw from Chaparral Motorsports here with Mark from System 3 Off-Road. Today we're looking at a brand new tire. This is the SS360 tire. Now you may think that you might have seen this tread pattern somewhere in your past lives, and if you're an ATC rider, that's true. But this tire is a 32-inch set here in front of you that is going to be perfect for the big side-by-sides. Now Mark, really tell us about this tire and why it's even coming out now.
Well, we're really excited about this tire. We've been keeping it under wraps for quite a long time, but we're going back to our roots, going back to the heritage. Our designer and founder, 30 years of experience in ATC, ATV, and now UTVs. So he's really bringing that knowledge to the table with this new tire. It's gonna provide maximum flotation, a lightweight carcass. It's gonna bring the fun back into driving. It really is. We're excited.
Now setting up the stage here, I picked this tire up and was really shocked at how light it is. Now, how do you guys get this tire in a 32-inch to be this light?
We designed this with weight in mind, to keep the weight down. That's what the duners really want out there. They're really weight conscious, but this is a 2-ply molded carcass paddle. The 30s are coming in at 26 pounds and the 32s are coming in at 28 pounds for the rears. So
now when it comes to paddle tires, the paddles, typically the big molded paddles, come in various heights. Now depending on the horsepower of your car, you have to go shorter paddles for the less horsepower that you're running. As you can see here, these are really short paddles. We're looking at a 1/2 inch, but there's a lot of them. How is that characteristic going to play out when you're out there on the dunes?
You're going to get more bite on the sand. It's going to provide you with more flotation. There are more paddles, but they are smaller in height. We feel that's going to give you better contact patch on the sand. You're going to be able to really move this car around. You kind of got to think of it as an all-terrain tire for the sand.
So one thing that I see here is the fact that the front tire and the rear tire have the same tread pattern. That's going to lead me to believe that we're talking about 4-wheel drive while ripping this thing out there as well. Now, as you know, when you're running a paddle on the rear, it's about drifting the rear end. It's about sliding around. When you're running these things in 4-wheel drive out there, I would imagine it's more like a slot car where you're able to turn and really just pick the direction you're going to be going.
You're still going to be carving like butter out there with these things. It's going to allow you to have a little bit more versatility because you're not having that straight paddle. You're going to be able to throw that car around, have a lot of fun. You're going to get good straight line traction as well with the front. But yes, you're going to be able to maximize the drive with both utilizing the front and rear paddles now.
Fantastic.
Putting less wear and tear on the belt too.
And that's key, less wear and tear on your vehicles so you can have more fun out there for a longer period of time. Well, there you have it. That's just a quick sneak peek of this brand new tire from System 3. Now Mark's gonna be here at our side-by-side expo on the 7th of September. So come in for that where you can touch and feel these tires and take a look at them for yourself. What kind of questions are you going to be answering for people there at the show, Mark?
I'm going to be happy to be here representing the brand. Want to help educate the customers, let them know what we're doing here, having this new approach. I'm going to be here to answer questions, educate, give some swag away, have some fun, and just have a good time with some fellow enthusiasts.
Now something else we've been talking about that you really need to tune back in for is we're going to take System 3's dune tire, which was one of the leading dune tires or paddle tires in our sand paddle tire test from last year, out to Glamis, with those mounted up on a car and these mounted up on a car, and we're going to come back and tell you and show you specifically the differences of how those two tires handle and why one tire might be better for you over the other. I'm Kyle Bradshaw, this is Mark. Thanks for tuning in to this quick little episode of this new product release. If you like what you saw today, give us a thumbs up, and if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, as always, take care and ride safe out there.